Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Clean and Go Car Wash. Can I help you with something?
Good afternoon. Yes, please. I hope you can. My car is absolutely filthy. I have just come back from a long road trip and it is covered in dirt and insects.
You have definitely come to the right place then. We can make it look brand new again for you. Is this your first time visiting our car wash?
It is, yes. I have never been here before. I usually just wash my car by hand at home, but today it needs a professional deep clean. I was just looking at your big menu board, and I have to admit I am a little bit confused by all the options.
I can understand that. We offer a lot of different services to suit every need and every budget. I would be very happy to explain the different options to you to help you choose the right one.
That would be a huge help. Thank you so much.
Of course, are you interested in our automatic tunnel wash or our self-service washing bays?
I think for today, because the car is so dirty, I would like to use the automatic tunnel wash. It looks very powerful.
The automatic wash is an excellent choice for a deep clean. As you can see on the menu, we have three main programs to choose from. We have our basic wash, our standard wash, and our premium wash.
Okay, what is included in the basic wash? I see it is the cheapest option.
It is. The basic wash is a very good, simple clean. It includes a high-pressure pre-wash to remove the heavy dirt. Then the car goes through the main wash cycle with our soft brushes and a special shampoo. And finally, it has a spot-free rinse and a basic drying cycle.
So it covers all the main steps, washing and drying. What is the difference with the standard wash? It is a few euros more expensive.
The standard wash includes everything from the basic wash, but it adds two extra important steps. First, it adds an active foam pre-wash. This is a thick layer of foam that covers the car and helps to dissolve the really tough dirt before the brushes touch it.
That sounds very effective for my dirty car. And what is the other extra step?
The other step is an underbody wash. Special high-pressure jets from below will clean the bottom of your car. This is very important, especially in the winter, to wash away all the salt from the roads that can cause rust.
The active foam and the underbody wash both sound like very useful additions. Now, what about the top-level wash, the premium wash? It is the most expensive option. What extras do you get with that?
The premium wash is our ultimate package. It is for people who want to give their car a real spa treatment. It includes everything from the standard wash, plus two final protective treatments.
Protective treatments. What do you mean by that?
The first treatment is a hot wax sealant. After the car is washed and rinsed, the machine sprays a special liquid hot wax all over the paint.
Hot wax. What is the benefit of that?
The wax creates an invisible, protective layer over your car's paint. This layer helps to protect the paint from the sun, the rain, and from dirt. It also has a hydrophobic effect.
Hydrophobic. That is a very scientific-sounding word. What does it mean?
It just means that it repels water. When it rains, the water will form little beads and just roll off your car. It helps to keep your car cleaner for a longer time. And of course, it also gives the paint a beautiful, deep, glossy shine.
So it protects the paint and it makes it shinier. I like the side of that. And what is the second treatment? The menu says tire shine.
That is the finishing touch. After the car is dry, a special dressing is applied to the rubber of your tires. This makes your tires look deep black and glossy, like they are brand new. It is a cosmetic touch, but it makes a huge difference to the overall look of the car.
Thank you so much for that detailed explanation. You have made the options very clear for me now.
It is my pleasure. It is important that you know exactly what you are paying for.
It is. So, if I understand correctly, the basic wash is a good clean, the standard wash is a better, deeper clean, and the premium wash is a deep clean plus protection and a beautiful finish.
That is a perfect summary. So, which program do you think is the right one for you and your very dirty car today?
Well, my car has not had a proper wash in a very long time. It has been on a long journey. I think it deserves the best. And I really like the idea of the hot wax to protect the paint.
It is a very good investment in the long-term health of your car's paintwork.
I agree. So I have made my decision. I am going to treat my car to the full spa experience. I would like to choose the premium wash, please.
An excellent choice. Your car will thank you for it. It is going to look amazing.
I am very excited to see the result. Now, I have another question for you. All of these programs are for the exterior of the car, the outside. But the inside of my car is also very dirty after my trip.
Ah, yes, the interior cleaning. That is a very important part of a full car clean.
Is there a service that also cleans the inside of the car?
The automatic tunnel wash that you have chosen is only for the exterior. It is not possible for the machine to clean the inside. But we do have excellent facilities here for cleaning your interior.
That is great to hear. What are my options?
Your first option is our self-service area, which is just over there. We have several very powerful vacuum cleaners that you can use yourself.
A self-service vacuum. I see them. They are very popular today.
They are. You can use them to vacuum all the carpets, the floor mats, and the seats in your car. They are a great way to get rid of all the dust, sand, and crumbs from your trip.
That is exactly what I need. My floor mats are very dirty.
The self-service vacuums are a great, affordable option if you are happy to do the work yourself. However, we do offer another option if you are feeling a little less energetic today.
I am always interested in less energetic options. What is the other option?
We also offer a full-service interior cleaning. This is where our professional team will clean the inside of your car for you.
A full-service cleaning? That sounds very luxurious. What is included in that service?
It is a very thorough clean. We call it our interior detailing package. First, our team will do a very deep and detailed vacuum of the entire car. They will get into all the little corners and crevices that are hard to reach yourself.
That sounds very good. My little vacuum at home is not very powerful.
After the vacuuming, they will clean all the hard surfaces inside your car. They will wipe down the dashboard, the center console, and all the door panels with a special cleaning product.
So all the plastic and vinyl parts.
Exactly. And the final and perhaps most important step is that they will clean all the interior windows and mirrors until they are sparkling clean and streak-free. It makes a huge difference to your visibility when you are driving.
The full-service interior detailing sounds like an amazing service. It would be wonderful to have my car's interior professionally cleaned.
It is a very popular service, especially for people who are selling their car or for people who just want that brand new car feeling again.
I can imagine. What is the price for that service, and how long does it take?
For a car of this size, the full interior detailing costs €45, and it usually takes our team about 1 hour to complete the job properly.
45 euros, and it takes about an hour. That is a little more than I was planning to spend today, both in terms of time and money. I think today I just need a quick, basic clean on the inside.
I completely understand. The self-service option is probably the best choice for you today then. You can get a very good result in just 10 or 15 minutes with our powerful vacuums.
I agree. I will choose the self-service vacuum today. Maybe I will treat myself to the full detailing service another time. So, how do the vacuums work? Do I put coins in them?
You can use coins, yes, but a more popular and convenient way is to buy tokens from me here at the kiosk. Each token gives you 5 minutes of vacuuming time.
Tokens are a great idea. I think 2 tokens should be enough for me today. So, 10 minutes of vacuuming time.
Okay, an excellent plan. So, to summarize, you have chosen one premium automatic wash for the exterior of your car, and you would like 2 tokens for the self-service vacuum cleaner for the interior. Is that correct?
That is perfectly correct. I am ready to pay now.
Wonderful. Let's see. The premium wash is €20, and the 2 vacuum tokens are €2 each. So that is €4. Your grand total for today is €24.
24 euros. That sounds very reasonable for getting my whole car clean inside and out. How can I pay?
We accept cash or any major credit or debit card.
I will pay by card, please.
Of course. I will just get the payment terminal for you. You can tap your card here. Perfect. The payment has gone through. I will just print your receipt for you.
Thank you.
Here is your receipt, and here are your 2 vacuum tokens. I have also printed a special code for you on your receipt. This code is what you will use to activate the automatic car wash.
A special code. I see it here. It is a 6-digit number. What do I do with this?
This is a very important part of the process, so please listen carefully to the instructions.
I am listening very carefully.
You can now get back in your car. You need to drive forward slowly towards the entrance of the car wash tunnel. You will see a large automatic barrier and a small keypad, just like at the entrance of a parking garage.
Okay, so I drive up to the barrier.
Yes, and you just need to type your 6-digit code into the keypad. The system will recognize your code, and the barrier will lift up to let you in.
That sounds easy enough. What do I do when I am inside the tunnel?
As you drive in, you will see a green light. You need to drive forward slowly until that light turns red. This means your car is in the correct starting position. Then you will see a sign that tells you what to do. The instructions are very important.
What are the instructions?
You must put your car into neutral gear. You must take your hands off the steering wheel and your feet off the pedals, and you must leave your engine running. The car wash has a conveyor belts on the floor that will pull your car through the tunnel automatically.
So I just have to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Exactly. It is a completely automated process. It is very safe as long as you follow those simple instructions.
Put the car in neutral and do not touch anything. I can definitely do that. It sounds quite fun, actually.
It is like a little ride. Children love it. The whole process will take about 8 minutes. At the end of the tunnel, another traffic light will turn green, which is the signal that your wash is finished and you can drive out.
Okay, this is all very clear. I feel very well prepared now. Thank you for being so thorough.
It is my pleasure. We want all of our customers to have a safe and positive experience. After you exit the tunnel, where do you think you should go next?
I should go to the self-service area to use my vacuum tokens and clean the interior.
Exactly. You can park your car in one of the designated bays over there. You will see the vacuum stations. You can take as much time as you need there.
That is the perfect final step. Then my car will be sparkling clean, inside and out.
It will. Well, I will let you get started now. I hope you enjoy the car wash experience.
I am sure I will. Thank you again for all your wonderful and clear help. You have been fantastic.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your newly cleaned car.